Assembly. Canopy arrives fully assembled and consists of 3 components: a silicone face seal, a transparent filter core, and head straps. Hero straps are shown in this video. Also included, you will find reference materials, such as full instructions for use, a name and date sticker, as well as a user seal check cover. Select orders also include a small and large face seal. You will find the additional seal individually wrapped inside your box. For future assembly and to replace the filter, take the respirator in both hands and gently pry the splash guard away from the filter. Then stretch the face seal to remove it from the lip of the filter core. Canopy is now ready for thorough cleaning and filter replacement. To assemble Canopy, hold the filter in one hand, with the sticker facing you and your thumb aligned with the up arrow. Using your other hand, find the nose bridge of the face seal and align it to the lip of the filter. Hold the face seal in place using your thumb and stretch the face seal along the channel around the filter, alternating sides, until it's secure. With your face seal properly aligned to the filter, you are ready to affix to the headgear. Ensure the nose bridge of the face seal is aligned with the splash guard and snap the filter in. You may need to adjust the silicone straps away from the splash guard to aid in alignment. Press the filter core firmly until you hear 4 audible clicks. Once installed, check around the edge of the core to ensure there are no visible gaps.